Hey everyone, Attorney Kevin Ferry here. How are you? September 4th, heading toward fall, beautiful day today. I just want to talk to you about a project that I've worked on for the last few weeks with an intern who spent the summer here at Ferry Law. We worked on a bill that we're proposing the Connecticut legislature discuss and submit and hopefully enact into law. And we call it the Apology and Litigation Project. And simply, it is this. When somebody hurts somebody else, they should be able to apologize without that apology being used against them at trial. So Connecticut currently has an apology statute, but it only applies to physicians. So doctors have been given special preference in the law. Unfortunately, they've been given a lot of special preference, and I'm going to talk more about that in a different video. But in this particular case, they were given special preference because strong insurance lobbyists pushed for this bill in this measure, because it is known, very well known, from the actuarial point of view, that when a doctor is human and actually apologizes for the bad outcome, the mistake, whatever, he or she is less likely to be sued. So it's a money thing. It came down to money, as most of our laws unfortunately always do, as most of our decisions in life, in politics, often do. Sad state of affairs, right? When it's all about money, but we know that's unfortunately the world we're living in, and I'd like to change that a little bit. So we raise our children to tell someone they're sorry when they hurt somebody. We raise our children to offer to help the person who they've injured or hurt accidentally. And once we become grown-ups and liability may attach to our conduct, lawyers, insurance companies, and anybody else will say, hey, don't admit anything, keep your mouth shut, you don't want it to be used against you, you're going to get sued, and that's just nonsense. So we need to start treating each other as human beings. We need to see lawyers as the people that are going to help effectuate more humanity rather than less in the law. So that's where I come in, and that's where Sam Martin, my intern, came in. So we've proposed this legislation so that not just doctors have the benefit of a rule of law that was designed just to protect them from liability, but anybody can have the benefit of having an open heart and not feeling scared to act humanely to their fellow man who they've injured by accident. So hopefully this thing passes. I've actually introduced it not through any professional organizations that I belong to, because quite honestly, I don't think they'd go for it. In many ways, it's against the interest of a plaintiff's injury lawyer, such as myself and Ferry Law, because it'll reduce litigation and it'll actually result in settlements for lower amounts. People who feel recognized and actually feel that the person who hurt them does feel some sorrow and responsibility, they won't be sitting there looking for every last penny of damages. They might be more reasonable. So it's against a plaintiff's injury lawyer's interest to have such a bill passed. However, I'm more into having this planet of ours and humanity of ours treat each other with respect, compassion, humility, kindness, than I am making an extra buck. So hopefully this thing passes. I'm going to keep you updated to see whether or not it ever gets anywhere. I'm just excited that we did it and we put it out there, and we're going to keep pushing to see if we can get it actually enacted. So thank you very much for listening to this little talk, and I'm hoping to do a lot more of this. Thank you. Bye-bye.